In this diagram, we needed to add more chains. So what I did in the stitch key is that I provided to you a single crochet that has an arrow to it. It's always in red. Sometimes the last stitch could have a single crochet, then it can have one of these. So that means that there's 2 single crochets into the last stitch so that you have an increase happening. But sometimes the last one is just a single crochet with an arrow that's leaning over as well. And it can lean in either direction depending on where you are in the letter. And what I'm trying to indicate to you is that this blue line is like a foundation of your home. And so if you understand that, you see that in order to do this next one, and we're right here, we need to then provide extra chains in order to go back across. So at the end of the row, we do not turn on this last one, but we continue to make the number of chains that you need in order to turn around to then go back across. And by doing this, you're creating extra stitches that will sit on top of each other. So just think about, you can't walk out to an apartment building from your flat if there's no balcony because you're going to fall. So you need to make sure that each one of these, when you're building it out, it's either doing a single crochet into the same one as the last one to do an increase, or you're building out on the chains in order to happen. So let me show you an example on a letter. So here's the letter G. We created our chains, second chain from the hook, and we came back. On the last one here, what we needed to do at the end, it's a red arrow and it's pointing out. These last 4 chains need to be created after the last one has been put in, so that you will go second chain from the hook and then work your way back across. So what you've done now is creating a new base or a new balcony so that you have some kind of base in order to go across. So why is there a green ones and these ones are not colored? The green ones are something really special that you'll have to do.